What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In this one I'll be going over the 9th of April and just going over a couple of the trades that you could have caught if you were using our system. First things first, let's go over these steps that we use in order to hop into these trades. So the first step is going to be to identify our levels using our instant charting tool. Next step is going to be to look for our entry candles, our 3-step entry. Right here we have a bullish example followed by a bearish example. And our final step is going to be to manage our trade and exit when our exit opportunity arises. Now it's going to jump into, I think it's when we see a couple of these opportunities broken down. We had a really nice put to start the morning at 9:51. Wednesdays are usually a really good day with the system. You can see we ended up finishing out here, ended up having an exit opportunity, transitioning some calls here at 10:20, and then we had more calls as well. These at 10:40, all the way up to the major level of resistance, and you can see price started to retrace after that. And we did end up respecting the VWAP, making higher lows, and then we had another 3-step right here, 11:22. That was the killer of the day. That was a really nice trade opportunity there. So already we had 3 to 4 opportunities within the morning. And again, going on how it was yesterday, not the best day, right? And I spoke to how that's going to happen, and the next day is going to be probably a better day, right? So your job is to be able to last through that, which is why risk management is important. Right here we have a really nice put opportunity at 11:37. Right, just waiting for your confirmations, and you're able to take advantage of that. Right, and those puts work out very nice, even better than that call worked out. Right, so if you thought you missed out on that, this is what happens when you don't lock back in, and make sure you manage your expectations. Right, because your bias can be on a call, but with our system it can switch, and you could have another really profitable trade be given in the next 20 minutes. Right, so for you to be so emotional, and stuck on the bias is going to be an issue, right? So we try not to worry about that here. Right here we have another 3-step at touch confirmation entry, 14:35. Nice puts right there all the way down to this previous year level, and then we were able to have another 3-step. I believe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmation entry. Yep, another 3-step at 15:39. Right, so another call right there. This is in power hour, so that'd have been definitely over 100% with that movement. This movement right here is a beautiful move. I mean, this is a beautiful one. So all in all, right, not to say that every opportunity that was caught would have been profitable for you, right? Because that is completely, hindsight. But what I am saying is obviously every opportunity that was given, every entry that was given is going to be profitable with our system for this Wednesday, right? We can see as long as we traded within the means of our 3-step confirmation system, waited for our retest, there were profitable trades, right? So again, this goes to those days where there might not be a trade, or there might be losing trades. If you make those days worse than they need to be, then you don't allow these winning days that are going to give you these natural winning trades that are going to naturally feed into your probabilities. You don't allow those probabilities to actually work, right? Because you're working against your probabilities in the days that they aren't working for you, right? So if you match it up with risk management, there goes your secret recipe, all right? So if you want some more knowledge on that, go ahead, book a call, and we'll see if we're a good fit to work together.